Time in seconds. The seconds hand is the fastest hand on the clock. It is represented here by the long, thin, brown hand of the clock. It moves every second. There are 60 seconds in a minute, and the seconds hand show us that by going around all the seconds from 1 to 60. The seconds here are numbered in red for you to see. But take note of one thing. When the seconds hand, which is in brown, points at the number in red, it's talking about seconds. The seconds hand only talks about seconds. When the minute hand, which is in red, points at the number in red, it's talking about minutes. The minute hand in red only talks about minutes. Seconds hand talk about seconds, minute hands talk about minutes. Don't make the mistake that the number in red are for seconds only. They are for both minutes and seconds. As shown in this animation, all the hands are 12. That is 12 o'clock. When the seconds hand begins to move, it moves from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 and so on. It keeps moving to the next number every second until it gets to 60, and that is 1 minute. One thing you probably notice is that as the seconds hand moves, the minute hand also begins to move, but slower than the seconds hand. When the seconds is at 15, the minute hand will move 1/4 of the way to the next number. That means it begins to move, but it moves just 1/4 of the way to the next number. The minute is moving from 12 to 1, but it begins to move very slowly. When the second is at 30, the minute hand would have moved half of the way to the next number. When the number is at 45, the minute hand will move 3/4 of the way to the next number. That's because it's moving gradually to the next number. When the second is at 60, the minute hand would have moved all the way to the next number. That is 60 seconds. The cycle continues over and over again, and the clock never stops. Watch the video over and over again for a better understanding, and watch other videos for more information. And feel free to ask questions where you don't understand. Bye for now.